Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribbble, how to create a website for mobile car detailing business easy and quick. So first type Dribbble on the search. So as we know, Dribbble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So first we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Now create a new business. Enter your business name. Type any business name you want. For example, is select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and click create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section on the website, the header. The header of the website, you can edit it from here. Now if you want to change your business name, here you can turn this on and replace company name with logo. You can upload a file. You can change the label or add a new label. Here if you want to add a link, you can also edit your social links. And here if you want to add a channel, you can just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. If you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning or the social icon, the size, the shape, the spacing or the background. So let's save this. If you want to add the section on your website, just click here and select any section you want here. That's it. Now let's close this. Next section is the banner section of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change the heading, you can change it from here. You can just click here and it will be changed. Also the subtext, if you want to change it, just click regenerate and it will be regenerate another subtext. The label, if you want to change it from here, the external link, you can add a link here. Here if you want to open link in your page, just turn this on. And also the style, if you want to change or edit the style of the section, the spacing or the mean height or the horizontal alignment, for example like this, or the vertical alignment or the background. Here if you want to generate another image, you can also edit the background overlay. And here if you want to combine with header, just turn this on. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Next section is the image section of the website. Edit. You can generate another image. And here if you want to edit the image position and also the style of the section, you can turn this on and make it like this, or turn it off and make it like this. You can also change it, edit the spacing and the background. So that's it. Let's save this. The next section is the text section of the website. Edit. Here if you want to generate another text, just click here and it will be changed. Also if you want to edit the size or the type of the writing, from here. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Next section is testimonial section of the website. You can add testimonial here. If you want to generate a code, you can generate by who, and here you can upload a file. So let's save this. Here you can edit the style of the section, the alignment or the spacing or the background. So that's it. Next section, the gallery section of the website. Edit. Here if you want to change this, Also here you can generate image, another image. You can upload the image from browser. Just enter browser and search your image and put it here. So let's just pick image from here. For example, um, this. So now let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the location section of the website. You can edit here. Here if you want to change the heading. Also here you can change the business address. You can add text file. You can add the title or the content. Here you can edit the style of the section, the type or the theme, or the rounded corners. You can also edit the marker colors, the vertical alignment, and the background. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The contact form section. You can edit from here, or if you want to generate another contact form, you can also edit the type or the size of the writing here. If you want to manage files, and if you want to turn this on, and custom input labels. Also here the last thing, you can generate form success message. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. Next section is the last section on the website, the footer section. You can change the business name here if you want to turn this on and replace the company name with a logo. You can also upload a file. Here you can add any other relevant details. You can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can turn this on and add a label or add the link. So let's turn this off. If you want to edit your social links here, and also if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. Now if you want to regenerate the content or the style or the entire section, just select any options here and it will be changed. Also if you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to delete the section, you can delete it from here. So now all you have to do is publish your website and get your free custom domain name. So now after you edit and design your website, just click publish and your website is gonna be published. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.